Hey there everybody, this is kind of strange. I'm doing an introduction to the introduction of the snapper rebuild, or what we're going to do with it. It's taken so long for me to get this video out due to the fact that I had an issue with my files got lost somewhere in my computer. I was about ready to give up and just do a whole new video after editing half of it, but lo and behold, I found the file hidden somewhere where I was working, not even related to it. So I was able to recover it, and then that actually just took some time for me to actually get it edited and out to you. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you. Getting back to this snapper mower that's behind me right here. I asked you to put in the comments what you thought I should do with it. This is going to be part 2 of the snapper. I already have some footage of giving her a bath, washing her down. I may make that one separate video, or I may incorporate it into this one. I haven't decided that yet. I have to do the editing. I had some suggestions what to do with it. Some said just to clean it up and get it going because it's a good little machine. I agree with that. Mixed Mowers also said he thought it would be a good little project to tear down and redo the whole thing, go all the way with it. I kind of like that idea too, but because I'm in a little bit of need of this mower and I need to get it going as soon as I can, so what I've decided to do is I've decided I'm going to go kind of in between, where I am going to clean her up. I'm filming mostly in the shed. It's a beautiful day out, but it's bright out and it's affecting the video here. But it's a nice machine and it needs a good cleanup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the motor off, pull the seat. I'm going to pretty much strip it down, clean it up, degrease. It's already been pressure washed, but I want to degrease it. As you can see on the deck there's a lot of grease left over even after pressure washing. So I'm going to degrease it. I already tried some paint of the paint that I just showed you, and this is the colors that I picked. Well, obviously white, just says pure white on the can, but I also picked Rust-Oleum Regal Red. And I did a little test, even though it ran a little bit on me, on the pulley. And you can't hardly even tell the difference. The outer edge is the original color, but in here on the bolt, it's the same. So it's a pretty good match color, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to clean it up, kind of top side paint it. I'm not going to go all the way painting underneath and everything like that. I bought white for the engine and the wheels. The wheels are a little rusty. And basically I'm going to strip it down to the frame, take the wheels, take the motor, all that off. I'm going to look at the drive. I don't know if I'm going to take the whole drive out. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to, but I do want to change out that disc anyway, so that's where we're at with it. So one thing about this is I'm looking at the handlebar and it's bent. And I'm not sure how to fix that yet, but I'm going to try to figure that out too. Okay, yeah, so my goal here today is to just get this guy tore down and get a parts list together and then get the parts on order and get her painted back up, start assembling her, and get this thing back in motion before the summer's over. Check this slide out, yeah. Tank off. Just take it from here for now. I think there's much gas in here. All right, tank is empty. starter button. Check all the wiring on it and the connections, but it always started pretty good. Oh boy. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good reason to take things apart and check it out. Right there, you got a nice little nest. Connections to the button looks pretty good though. I think we're okay there. Oh yeah, nice little nest in there. Let's try to change the angle here because the sun's killing this video. Get this button off and then we'll take care of that little mouse house there. We might add a body or two in there. Yep. Now they got one of my wires here they chewed up, so we're gonna have to fix that. This is all gonna be there. I don't like how they're driving over that, but that's how it's designed. Okay, we're gonna need a pedal cable on this side. So I'm gonna have to look that up, see if I can find one of them. We can put that wire back together easily. All right, she's getting tore down there. My phone started to die a little bit and I'm still not fully charged, so let's get back to it. Okay, we're ready to pull the engine here. Now, before we go any further, I want to get them Allen screws loose so that I can take that disc off. It almost looks like that disc will fit, but I doubt it. Okay, that one's loose. Get this one loose. Alright, so we shouldn't have any trouble getting that out now. So back to the bolts here. Alright, engine should come right off of this thing. With the exception of that pulley. Alright, belt's off. Back down. See if we can just lift that up there. And a grip here. That's what I wanted to happen. Now, as you can see, the disc does come out through there. Now, the disc will try to resurface a little bit, but this is how you adjust it, by loosening up these Allen screws and moving this up and down on your shaft for your little pressure, for your tension to rub on the disc. And now we should have a motor free to go. Where did I grab that before? Right here. All right, we're gonna call it a night here. Gonna probably rewash this a little bit better now that everything's off of it. Tape off wires and stuff that I don't feel like pulling through. Some rust here, so I'm kind of glad I'm doing this. Also found some problems that I didn't know about, so for the most part everything looks pretty good. As far as painting it, I want to try to preserve all the stickers and all that I can. I'm not going to reorder new stickers, but just kind of clean it up, get it looking a little bit decent. Maybe I can find a new ball for the shifter here. So I'm going to call it a night here. See you in a day or two.